So far this morning, I've had like a slow start today, like a slow productive start. Cleaned both the bathrooms upstairs and downstairs, which is so nice. I had a dream about the bathrooms. Didn't realise afterwards, and then when I woke up I was like, why did I have that dream? And then I realised it was because I really wanted to do a deep clean in the bathroom. Basically the dream was like this. A bunch of girls, I think one of them's like an influencer. Her face looks like the actress from Hollyoaks. And also I'm thinking, is it the YouTuber Freddie My Love? So they just came to my house in the dream. And like they came to like give me a pamper session, or I don't know if I was entering into a pageant or something like that. Like they came to get me ready or something like that. Like they were doing my makeup, dress, and they came unexpected. Or I was expecting them, but I wasn't expecting them on that day. I was like, oh my goodness, you guys, can you just give me like 15 minutes to just like, I've got to like clean the bathroom. And clean the bathroom took me an hour because on top of that I had to like comfort the baby. And then by the time I went downstairs, I just saw their faces like really grumpy. Like, I want to share some bits I got from Primark recently. Okay, but yeah, I've got this lovely jumper for my son. It's £7, literally the only one left. Like, what one left? I saw it the other day and I'm like, payday comes, I need to get this jumper. This is so nice. What I did was I took it and hid it behind a bunch of like checked shirts, because I don't know where someone just pull it randomly with these checked shirts. I went in there, I want to do like a Pacific Primark shop. It was like with my budget, right? I'm not like, oh, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice. No, I go in there and I'm like, I'm looking for trousers, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for this. I get what's on my list. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, it's not on today's budget, so I'm gonna pull it into like another budget. When it payday comes, I can fit this into that budget. And like, I just hid it behind the shirts. When I came back, it was still there. Also, I got myself a belt because I don't have a belt. And yeah, I just got this basic belt. This one's, what, £2.50. I feel like their basic belts are really nice. You would have seen in like another Primark haul recently, I picked up the sweatshirt for this Mickey Mouse joggers. I've got the sweatshirt. Finally have my son's size in the joggers, and I just told myself they look really cute. There's nothing wrong with a matching outfit. I was just convinced. I was like, I've got the sweatshirt, I'll be fine. I don't need the joggers. No, and I was like, I need to get him some more trousers. And I was looking around, there was nothing in his size, and this was the only thing. And I was like, let's go for a matching outfit. Let's do it, matching. I think it's gonna look cute. Like when I went to Primark, they reduced these shoes. These ones, like I really like them. They reduced them from, they were £7, reduced to £4. And I think if I saw it originally, the £7, I would have still got them. I really feel like my Primark shop this week was very successful. With my son, I wanted to get him a jeans as well to go with the jumper that I got him. Couldn't find any jeans in his size. So early this morning, I literally put an order on Sainsbury's. Found some like nice trousers for him to wear from Sainsbury's. Today's job is to do some cleaning around the house, and like small major cleaning, and also one of my goal as well, I really want by the end of this vlog to have a like my laundry basket to be really low. And also a few days ago we got new sofas delivered. Yeah, a few days ago downstairs looked chaotic. The chaos hallway, there's stuff there you can't see, but near the front door there's also some boxes. I think the pushchairs in the kitchen, so that means the kitchen is really crowded. Old sofas, currently sitting on old sofas. New sofas, new sofa. So that's a 2-seater, and that one over there is the 3-seater. So we're trying to like install it, and we've had to like pause because we need to go and get like you know those automatic screwdrivers. We've had to pause and pop into Argos. So that's the chaos of getting things done. Homeware, I picked up Pep & Co. artificial succulent in rainbow vase. I seriously thought it was £3. £1. Cathedral City matured cheddar. My daughter loves cheese. Oh my goodness. She literally came yesterday night. She's currently sick with a viral infection at the moment. But she was like, when you go to the shops tomorrow, can you buy cheese? Even when she's sick, cheese is still on her mind. Disposable face coverings. Yep, I'm still one of those people who wear a face mask when they go out. Long story short, your girl caught COVID while she was pregnant in 2021. I don't play with these face coverings. Toothpaste, why not? Fanta lemon. I can only get this in Poundland. Poundland. Like, nowhere else. I don't know, what is it about Fanta lemon? Why is it hard to come by? I haven't finished doing all my laundry. I've actually got like 2 loads of laundry, and then literally my laundry basket will be literally nothing. But I've actually brought it downstairs. Reason being, you can see it's slightly broken. Also, like, it's broken in certain areas. The handle I'm not bothered about. But yeah, I just want to fix it for the meantime, because I don't want to buy a new laundry basket. It's not something I'm bothered about right now. So I'm going to fix it. First of all, I want to do the laundry sign, because you can't see it anymore. Because when I put it in the wash, the laundry sign washed out. So I've got a gold pen that I bought from Wilko before they closed down. Oh, I also found out today you can still shop on Wilko online. I didn't know that. So technically they're still opened. So I'm going to go over with a gold pen, bring out the laundry sign, and then I'm going to get a hot glue gun and fix. There's certain areas where the metal is like come off and it's loose. Guys, I have literally finished this to the end. This is my first time trying it. Loved it. I'm going to buy it again. This is amazing. All you have to do is just sniff the packaging to know, oh my goodness, it smells amazing. You just have to sniff the packaging while you're in the store and you'll know it smells amazing. Seriously, the Lenore Fresh, recommended by Ariel. The one you see that's got Ariel, that's the one you need to get. It is amazing. This year I'm not buying any autumnal stuff. This is like the only autumnal stuff I have. But the decorations I do have, these pumpkins, I'm trying to figure out where to put them. So it goes nowhere in the living room. So I'm thinking somewhere in the kitchen.